Introducing our door cutout kits. We offer 3 door cutout kits, starting with a single door cutout kit, then a double door, and an XL door. All of these kits are telescoping. These kits are very easy to install into your barbecue frame. Let's show how to install them with a single door kit. When installing your door cutout kit into your module frame, you have 2 choices. One, you can use the vertical tubes that are in the module and unscrew them and slide them to the cutout width for your door. Or you can buy an extra VT or 2, so that way you'd have new VTs just to screw in for the right and left sides of your door. Another option is, for example, let's say we want a door to the right of this VT. We could use this existing VT and just buy one more and screw it in here. So for this example, we're going to use the existing VT in the module for the left side, and we've bought one extra VT for the right side of this door. We'll measure off of the bottom tube for the door, and we'll measure the 17¼ inches high for our single door and make a mark on both sides to install our top horizontal tube. Wow, in just a couple minutes here, we installed our door cutout kit. With these telescoping tubes, we didn't have to do any cutting. This is the only system in America with telescoping steel tubes that you don't have to cut to make a cutout like this. Now, just to summarize what we did here, we used the existing VT for the left side of door cutout that came with the module. We bought an extra VT so that for the right side of this door, and then we installed our single door cutout kit right here between those 2. Now, if we wanted to not go off of this left VT and we wanted to center between here, we would have bought 2 extra VTs. Or we could have bought no extra VTs and just unscrewed this one and slid it over to here. So there's a lot of choices depending on how much extra work you want to do with unscrewing VTs or just buying a couple extra VTs to install the cutout kit. It's up to you.